ES Television.
Chitankano wange onsanga wabisayo kubanga mbeera wabisayo tewekubye emisimu abaye tewekubye emisimu lwaki wekubye emisimu mama w'abaana lwaki wekubye emisimu mbuuza lwaki wekubye emisimu taata w'abaana lwaki wekubye emisimu batuli nabisayo nze ngenze wabisayo era osanga wabisayo. Abayimbi bonna obasanga wabisayo era obasanga wabisayo. Revival bandi ogisanga wabisayo.
Rebels back in action. Kuluna Bruce Willis aganye nedda nange nzija mwakwata bubiru lye mundu gundi mwe kali njagala nkulage mu Tears of the Sun nti nali wakabi yukira lembe yazanya zirembo zonna kino kinyiziza bangi nyanyiza omulala Expendables Part 2 coming soon to video atuliruddewa egena maso chokola bakalango kakano kitalo is back in action kitaza mazene wakadala yati yache abanja kandi green nene emundu chakinori saze ono yaba sitabo no bale mundu baba firimu tunulire chachize fandamine yaje nyizemu Bruce Willis kajinaga we
chechiri wa muri mutya mwebali kubera kwa BSTV buli lwa mukaga ne program ensasage nange chikaka ne ovu Uganda wano ka kwe BS na mutima buli lwa mukaga sawa 12 program ensasage ebe mazogoba we comedy buyimba buli lwa mukaga ogenda kubanga olaba comedy wetegereze comedy yoyo we sebo Uncle Owen alo sebo Sebo. Hello. Yeah. That's a movie,
Do you know English?
I know English. Ask any question you want.
You sure you know English?
Uncle Owen, I know. I go to the best school. I have the best teachers. Ask any question you want.
Okay, and if you pass my questions right, what do you want me to give you as a gift?
Beat me a photo.
Huh? What did you say?
Photo me a snap.
Sebuah ES Television.